Hi, my name is Lotte, and in this Frostbite video, I'd like to give you some insights into my research. In permafrost environments, the ground column is composed of permafrost at depth, which is continuously frozen. Above the permafrost, the active layer is located, which seasonally thaws. The presence of ground ice in the active layer in permafrost affects the thermal regime of the ground. That's because the melt of ground ice requires additional energy, known as latent heat. As a result, ground ice affects how thick the active layer is. Also, ground ice affects how fast the permafrost thaws under climate warming, with ice-rich permafrost thawing slower. Despite the importance of ground ice, we do not have detailed knowledge about its distribution. My research therefore investigated to which extent we can use a remote sensing technique called InSAR to map variations in ground ice contents. InSAR uses radar images and can map small ground movements across large scales. These ground movements can indicate the melting of ground ice, as the surface subsides slightly due to water being denser than ice. In my research, I investigated how well InSAR subsidence can monitor such ground ice variations. My fieldwork took place in Svalbard, a Norwegian archipelago, and the high Arctic. I had several field sites. At each field site, we collected sediment cores from the frozen active layer and permafrost. The cores were then evaluated in the laboratory for the amount of ground ice. The comparison between the InSAR observed subsidence and the ground ice data indicated that InSAR can monitor ground ice melt quite well. I will present my findings at the ICOP in a presentation at session 12B. See you there.